Breakfast is ready. Ethan and Lily, please come to the dining table.
I'm coming, Mom.
Give me 1 minute, Emma. I'm washing my hands first. No problem. Everything is hot and ready to eat.
Wow, breakfast smells amazing.
Thank you. Today we have pancakes, scrambled eggs, fresh fruit, and milk.
That sounds delicious. I'm very hungry today.
Eat well, everyone. We have a few things to do later.
Really? Where are we going? After breakfast, we're going to the grocery store.
Yes, we need to buy food and a few household supplies.
The kitchen is running low on many things.
Can I come too?
Of course! Shopping is more fun when we all go together.
Yay! I love going to the grocery store.
Before we leave, let's make a shopping list.
Okay, what's the first thing we need?
Milk and bread are at the top of the list. I'll write them down.
We also need fresh blueberries. Blueberries! They're my favorite. Can we also buy oranges and grapes?
Sure, fresh fruit is healthy for everyone. We should also buy eggs and butter.
Mom, can I pick one snack later?
Yes, but only one small snack.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, it's time to go.
Lily, are you ready?
Yes, I'm all set.
Let's get into the car. I'll drive today.
Lily, please fasten your seatbelt properly.
Done. Safety always comes first.
That's exactly right. The weather is beautiful today.
It really is. Dad, which grocery store are we visiting?
The one beside the community park.
Great! I really like that store. How long will the drive take?
Around 10 minutes.
We'll be there before you know it.
Here we are! We've arrived!
Wow, it's a huge supermarket. Yes, it has almost everything we need.
First, let's grab a shopping cart.
Can I push it?
Yes, but move it slowly and watch where you're going.
I will.
Thanks for helping us.
I like helping my family.
Let's begin with the fruit section.
Everything looks so colorful. These pears look fresh.
Let's take a few.
They look perfect.
Please put them in the cart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finished.
Next, let's get some bananas.
Bananas are sweet and yummy.
We also need cucumbers, carrots, and potatoes. I like this part of the store. It smells fresh. Fresh vegetables always have a nice smell.
Now let's visit the bakery section.
Which bread should we choose? Let's buy whole grain bread today.
Can we get milk now?
Yes, we need it for breakfast every morning.
Should we buy 1 carton or 2? 2 cartons will be enough.
They're nice and cold.
They stay refrigerated to keep them fresh.
We still need eggs and butter.
Here are the eggs. I'll carry them carefully.
Please don't drop them.
Let's pick a small pack of butter, too.
Sounds like a good idea.
Mom, may I choose my snack now?
Yes, remember, only one. I'll choose carefully.
Shopping together is enjoyable.
Spending time together makes simple moments special.
I love helping both of you. You're doing a wonderful job today, Lily.
Let's go choose some fruit juice. Now we're ready to check out. Our cart is almost full. Lily, could you help place the groceries on the counter? Hello, your total is $50. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Let's load everything into the car.
We bought everything we needed today.
Lily, thank you for being such a great helper.
I had fun picking the fruit. When we get home, you can relax.
We're home. Let's carry the groceries inside.
I'll help bring in the shopping bags.
Thank you, Lily. Grocery shopping may seem like an ordinary activity, but it becomes memorable when families do it together. Sharing responsibilities, talking, and helping one another makes every trip more enjoyable.
Thank you for listening to today's English story. We hope you learned new English words and expressions while enjoying this family adventure.
Tell us in the comments, who do you usually go grocery shopping with? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English stories.
See you in our next story. Goodbye!